Hello everyone, this is M13 Productions and today I'm going to show you how I make my sprite engines technically. So first what you want to do is hop onto DeviantArt and let's see, Saddle Tank Sprite. Let's search for a minute. Oh, see, there we go. Which one do we take? We're taking the one of the bug. And you click the three dots up in the right corner. Download. Wait till it's downloaded. Then you go into MS Paint. Hit File. Open. Select the PNG. Use the magnifying glass. Zoom in whatever. I'm going to do 6 times zoom. Hit the pencil. Hit the color. Could also use a fill out with the one with the paint bucket. And there you go. If you click on the color, this menu pops up. If you want a separate color, click on custom, and then you can have the sliders. The bottom two need to be fully to the right, and then the top, yeah, you can switch that or switch that to, I don't know, green. Then you can color in the engine. Then have a look at your work. And these little things on the side are sliders, so you can see what size you want. For instance, just the green one. Then edit. I can see the stuff used. You can the two box on the left and the color box on the bottom. Image, you can rotate it, like turn it upside down. If you search, history, you can go back. And quick side note: the one at the bottom is the most recent that you've done. So, just so you know, you can also have themes for your and let's say modern. And then it's like the modern font. Could also have winter. Could be this. I personally like classic the best. Yeah, and that's basically it. Leave a like, subscribe, and bye.